In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gain workload and capacity visibility in ClickUp. This feature is crucial for anyone looking to manage their team's workload effectively and ensure no one is overburdened or underutilized. So let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of ClickUp's robust features. First things first, you'll want to open ClickUp on your browser. Once you are logged into your ClickUp workspace, you'll be able to see all your tasks and projects laid out. This overview is the starting point for setting up a clear view of workloads. Now, look towards the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Portless View. It's located above your current task view options. Clicking on this button allows you to customize and add different perspectives on your task lists. This is where we start tailoring your task management experience to include workload insights. Type the word workload into the search field that appears. This action will help you quickly find the feature we're interested in. It should appear in the drop-down list as you type. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be directed to a new view dedicated to displaying workload information. You can even assign a custom name to this view if you wish. Naming your view could help you easily identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple teams or projects. Next, you'll want to refine this view to better suit your needs. Click on Workload, and then on Time Estimates. This action tells ClickUp to include estimated times for tasks within this view, providing a much clearer picture of how your resources are allocated. Following this, you should select Fields. This option allows you to choose which task attributes should be visible in your workload view. Make sure to toggle on Assignee. By doing this, you ensure that you can see who is assigned to each task at a glance. It's an essential step for balancing workload across your team. Once that's done, click on Group. This feature helps you organize how tasks are displayed, making it easier to identify trends or issues within your team. Grouping might be by team member, project, or task status, depending on your preference. Finally, for a more streamlined and chronological view, click on Ascending. This sorting option arranges your tasks in an order that makes it easy to spot deadlines and plan upcoming workloads efficiently. By following these steps, you've set up a comprehensive workload and capacity view in ClickUp. This will significantly enhance your project management experience and empower your team to work more effectively. Remember, the key benefits here are maximizing efficiency and ensuring balanced workloads that are manageable for everyone involved. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in leveraging ClickUp's capabilities to optimize your team's productivity.